Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Music Saxy. I just got my new better Sax Alto saxophone and can't wait to check it out. I bought the sax with my own money for my own use, and I'm hoping that it's better than my Bundy student saxophone. If it's not, I'm gonna send it back. So let's do this. The better Sax Alto saxophone was forged from a unique partnership between Jay Metcalf of Better Sax fame and Con Selmer. Let's get the box open. Seems to be packed well. Well, first things first, Sweetwater Sweets. Nice case. The saxophone is nicely wrapped in cloth. Now this mouthpiece and ligature looks kind of cheap. I did not expect to get the Better Sax burning mouthpiece with this horn. That thing sells for $250, but I expected something a little better than this one. Maybe it'll play okay. We'll see. Very nice looking neck. Cleaning cloth and a note from Jay. Here it is, the Better Sax Alto saxophone. I tried to play the saxophone with the mouthpiece that came with it, but I'm not happy with it at all. After several adjustments, I had no luck with it at all. So I took it off and replaced it with a backup Selmer Golden Tone mouthpiece that I have. Immediately, the horn began to play better. My suggestion is that if you decide to purchase one of these horns, make sure you use a mouthpiece that you are happy with. Now let's compare this horn to the one that I already own. This is my Bundy Student Alto that I picked up at a pawn store for $30 because the mouthpiece was missing. I bought a mouthpiece for $35 and paid $100 to have the horn serviced. So I have a total of $165 in it. So I'm expecting the better sax to be somewhat better than this one. The better Sax Alto color is very nice, with a vintage vibe to it. And the key inlays are beautiful. But my Bundy is in super excellent condition and has a great look as well. The better sax has a key that I am not familiar with that is missing on the Bundy. I will be doing a little research to figure out how to use it. The key mechanisms on the better sax are much quieter than the Bundy, which will make it more of a pleasure to play. The springs are also stronger and rebound faster, which will help with speed. Now, let's compare the sound of the two horns. Well, after playing both horns side by side, I don't think the future is looking too bright for my Bundy horn. I must say that the better Sax Alto is not only better, it's way better. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.